Your home sold in 30 days or we pay you $2,000. Hi, I'm Kelvin Reed with Your Home Sold Guarantee Realty, Reed's Real Estate. While every agent will promise to sell your home, the reality in this real estate market is that this simply doesn't always happen. The fact of the matter is the majority of homes listed for sale sit on the market for months, and most of them never even sell at all. Needless to say, this is highly frustrating to a home seller like you. But more than this, it can be financially crushing if you count on the sale of your home to fulfill some other obligation. Well, we set ourselves apart from most agents by being accountable to you. In other words, we don't just promise to sell your home, we guarantee it. Our 30 days or we pay you $2,000 guarantee is simply as this. We guarantee to have an offer acceptable on your home within 30 days or we pay you $2,000 cash when it sells. If your home sits on the market for longer than 30 days from the time we list it, we will continue to market it aggressively but pay you $2,000 cash upon it sells. As you can see, we put our money where our mouth is. Instead of making you empty promises, we give you a written guarantee of performance, and if we don't live up to this agreement, we pay you $2,000 cash. To learn how you can get your home sold in less than 30 days, call or text today at 757-997-6939.